Hello everyone. We are all well heard and known about the term called digital technology. Digital technology plays a significant role in individuals' day-to-day life activities. It helps to have better communication, interactions and transactions between individuals, groups and even nations. I'm here to share few ideas and informations about trends and opportunities of digital technology in workplace. So now let's understand digital technology detailedly. What is digital technology? Digital technology is electronic tools, systems, devices and resources that generate, store or process data. We can also say that digital technology is a branch of scientific and engineering knowledge that deals with the creation and the practical use of digital or computerized devices, methods, systems, etc. It also simplifies several ambiguities in communication. They make it simple and easily accessible. Therefore, it has got a prominent preference in everyone's day-to-day activities. In simple words, we can say that digital technology is an advanced technology which enables the individuals to quickly access, interact, communicate and transact the data at any corner of the world. Here are some of the best examples for digital technology. They are social media, online games, multimedia and mobile phones. Digital technology is everywhere. Everything and everybody relies on computers as the day-to-day life activities mainly depend on computers. The present generation is very much abided with digital technology. It is very difficult for us to realize a day without social media and entertainment. Today, digital technology is like a gravity where it has got a greater importance in our lives, from renting a car to going on holidays, doing grocery shopping, streaming movies, reporting taxes, banking transactions, etc. It made world accessible and a small place. Technology has improved the frequency of communication, which helps to converse each other between the individuals who are at a different corner of the world. That's why communication and global access is faster and reliable with the help of digital technology. So now we understood what exactly is the concept of digital technology. Now let's understand the different advantages of digital technology. The first one is time freedom. Digital technology helps us to choose when to work if we are working online. We can schedule our own timings as per the convenience. It also enables flexibility to adapt or schedule aligns with the procedure hours. So, time freedom is one of the important advantages of digital technology. The second advantage of digital technology is geographical freedom. The digital technology also helps us to do anything on our terms at the place where we are in. There are several platforms which allows us to work online without going to that particular workplace. Here are some of the best examples for that. They are Skype, Zoom, Google Meet, etc. The third advantage of digital technology is the global access. The internet, which plays a vital role as a mediator between individual and computer, makes every portion of knowledge around the world accessible. Also, there are plenty of courses and lessons around the world. They all can now be delivered through internet in online mode. Therefore, the global access through digital technology is extremely possible. The fourth advantage of digital technology is self-development. Nowadays, people strive to become a better versions of themselves. With the availability of digital technology today, improving personality development and self-development materials are very easy to access. The updated and advanced knowledge and informations can be easily accessed at the very fingerprint. The updated and advanced knowledge can be easily accessed at the very fingertip. So therefore, a self-development is also very much possible with the help of digital technology. The fifth advantage of digital technology is that the digital technology keeps you updated. The digital mediums like websites, applications, and other platforms also keep us updated with fresh knowledge and rich perspectives. Also, as part of updation, most of the local events and news get updated regularly across the globe. By the way, we will be equipped with all current affairs and events that happening around. The sixth advantage of digital technology is that the stored information is preserved. The quality of information is never reduced or diminished because of digital technology. It will not be lost, damaged, or duplicated as the primary content has got greater relevance. In addition to that, several reviews and suggestions of individuals across the globe will be added on to that, where the information preserved becomes more richer and relevant. The last and the final advantage of digital technology is that it leads to exciting life awaits. Computers are more faster and highly processed, and individuals relying on computer will never be dissatisfied as his work gets over without any lagging. It increases our happiness when they are used for entertainment purposes. Therefore, digital technology has also made our lives easier, faster, better, exciting, and more fun oriented. So now we have learned the concept of digital technology with the different advantages. Now let us learn the most major trending digital technologies. The first major trending digital technology is machine learning. Before getting into this topic, let us understand how humans solve problems. Of course, problems are part of human life. There is no individual in this world without any problem. Hence, it is very important for an individual to understand the reasons for the problems and to solve it. The individual will be very conscious and vigilant in solving problems. The individual analyzes the root cause and different other causes for the rise of the problem. When proper analysis and study is made, the exact reason for the problem is understood. It is a very long process for a human to solve the problem, as he has to undertake different studies and analysis on the root cause to find out solution for the problem. But machine learning is something very different. Machine learning is a method of data analysis. It could also be mentioned as one of the branches of artificial intelligence and computer science. It mainly focuses on the use of data and algorithms. Algorithms is nothing but a set of instructions to accomplish a task. The historical data of a particular problem and its complete illustration and demonstration is uploaded to a system where the system automatically analyzes the concept. The system will also be uploaded with certain norms and conditions and rules and guidelines of a particular concept, which helps the system to cross-check the concept with the problem. Finally, the machine learns the case and gives final solution which is more faster and scientific than the human mind. For having a detailed insights about machine learning, now here we see a video which helps us to understand the topic very detailedly. So here comes top 10 applications of machine learning by Simply Learn. Now we understood what exactly is machine learning and how it works in a system. So to conclude, we can say that machine learning is a process where the machine learns from the historical data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives new data, predicts the output for it. Nowadays, the need for machine learning is increasing as it is capable of doing tasks that are too much complex for a human mind to deal with. For humans, there are several limitations and restrictions as we cannot access a huge amount of data simultaneously. But computers can access those data systematically and effectively to produce effective solutions for the problem. The second important major trending digital technology is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence's processes by machines, especially computer systems. There are several applications of artificial intelligence which includes expert systems, NLP, that is natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. Out of this, one of the best examples for artificial intelligence is NLP, that is natural language processing. It is a branch of computer science and more precisely a division of artificial intelligence concerned with giving computers the capability to understand a text and pronounced word in much the same way as human beings can. So the ultimate aim of artificial intelligence is to produce systems to accomplish tasks. Let us now discuss some of the examples of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has drastically improved traveling. Instead of having to rely on printed maps, you can use artificial intelligence maps and navigation of Google or Apple Maps on your phone or any other electronic gadgets and type your destination to reach. Several face detection and recognition security systems are attributed to restricted places with the help of artificial intelligence for security purposes. Nowadays, we are also well familiarized with e-payment modes of Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc., which also include artificial intelligence. Therefore, artificial intelligence also has got a great dominance and hold around the world. Moving on to the last major trending digital technology, that is IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things is also one of the very important trending technology. It is nothing but the use of internet network for physical objects with sensors. This enables the system to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet. For having a detailed insights on IoT, let's watch the coming video which explains how IoT works, what are all the procedures that undergoes in IoT in the coming video. Now we have seen the significance of Internet of Things and the role it renders across the globe. So we can say that Internet of Things is the best way that shapes our lives as we live. Here, Internet and sensors plays significant role in the performance. The best example is smart home, where every control of electronic gadgets are made on a fingertip. Internet of Things helps the world to grow and to become more smarter and quicker. So let me conclude. Digital technology is very much essential for easy functioning. It also helps us to have better communication, interactions and transactions across the globe. The three major trending digital technologies, that is machine learning, artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, those renders a lot for this slot. Their contributions to several fields make the world more smart, quick and accessible. So let's join hand together for the better use of digital technology and explore well in our workplace. Good luck. Now let us have a look into this video to have greater knowledge and information about the trending digital technologies.